How to create Target Circle account. Download the Target app from the App Store or Google Play, or open the Target website in a browser. Open the app or website and select the option to create a new account. Enter your email address or mobile number to begin registration. Create a secure password that meets Target account requirements. Type your first and last name to complete basic profile information. Confirm your email address or phone number using the verification code sent. Sign in to your newly created Target account after verification. Open the menu and find the Target Circle section. Select the option to join Target Circle from the account area. Review the Target Circle terms and agree to continue. Add your phone number if it is not already linked to the account. Allow notifications if you want updates about deals and rewards. Check that Target Circle shows as active in your account profile. Start using Target Circle benefits when shopping online or in store. Thank you for watching.